In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Calendar to Notion. This process will allow you to have your Google Calendar directly accessible and viewable within your Notion workspace, offering a seamless integration that can help streamline your scheduling and task management. First, let's navigate to Google Calendar. You can do so by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Google Calendar URL. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that holds the calendar you wish to embed into Notion. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, locate the gear icon. This is typically situated at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. You'll be redirected to a page where a variety of customization options for your Google Calendar are displayed. On the left-hand sidebar of this page, you'll see a section that lists all of your calendars. Click on the name of the calendar you're interested in embedding. After clicking the calendar name, you'll be directed to a dedicated settings page for that specific calendar. Here, you'll find all sorts of detailed settings related to your calendar's usage and appearance. What you're looking for is the Integrate Calendar section. Scroll down until you see it. Once you're in the Integrate Calendar section, find the URL of your calendar. This is crucial because you'll need to copy this link to eventually embed it into Notion. Highlight the URL and copy it using your device's method, whether that's right-clicking and selecting copy or using a keyboard shortcut. Now that you have your Google Calendar link, let's head over to Notion. Open Notion and navigate to or create the page where you want your calendar to be visible. Once you're on the page, start by typing the command Embed. This command summons the Notion Embed block feature, which is instrumental for embedding third-party content onto your page. You'll see an option to click on Embed. Select it and a new window will pop up, prompting you to enter a URL. Here's where the Google Calendar link you copied earlier comes into play. Paste the link into the provided field. Doing this tells Notion exactly which calendar you want to embed. To finalize the embedding action, click Embed Link. You'll then see your Google Calendar displayed directly on your Notion page. This embedded calendar is interactive, allowing you to click on events to see more details. And there you have it! Your Google Calendar is now successfully embedded into your Notion workspace. This integration is wonderfully efficient for keeping all your organizational tools in one place, enhancing productivity and ensuring you never miss a beat. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips.